It's done so much more for me than just the energy. Honestly, that's what like I said, that's what I came in for. Waking up in the morning, taking those 3 steps, knowing that it's going to be an amazing day, knowing that I'm walking into work with a smile on my face, knowing that I'm coming home to my kids and my family, and it's not going to be a whole crying show because the kids are like, mom's coming home, or they're already deflated because they already know what to expect. Like your kids, I don't know, my kids just deserve more, because like I said, I was giving so much to everybody else and they got absolutely nothing. So that's just a little bit about my Thrive journey. I am so grateful, and I tell everybody this, like, this product takes no days off. I am excited to continue on. It's been almost 8 years, and I am just as excited about taking my products today as I was when I got started on day 1, because I already know how I'm going to feel. I know that, it only gets better over time, and you just have to trust the process.